Hello Ghana, hello Africa. Welcome once again to the channel. My name is Billy and you are watching Billy Snaps on YouTube. Kindly subscribe if you're new here, and please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and let's get to all these updates. As you can see, we are right here at the Ghana International Trade Fair Center. That is where we are, and there is a massive construction ongoing. They came to notice that the government of Ghana wanted to, build a new trade fair center, an ultra modern one, of course. And when it came, it was like, a stone which was thrown onto us. I see it will come or not, but this is where we've gotten to. This is, the view of the trade fair that you used to know. If you've been to trade fair before, you could see that there's, other changes that they've done. And due to one or two reasons, any program which was organized was held there. And for now, we can say there is a hold on all programs that will be held at the Ghana Trade Fair, or the Ghana International Trade Fair Center, because there is construction ongoing. They are going to change the face of here, so they are constructing the lanes. Mostly the easy way to start the project and also continue is get your lanes right. So they have to get their gutters, construct their gutters. After that, get their roads network. So they are constructing their roads before now putting on the project. So this is what you see right here. We visited this place and we're told not to capture anything, but because of the love from our viewers, we wanted a little bit of what we saw here to just give it to you. So if you're seeing this video, it's strictly monetized. Monitoring everything. So this is the Ghana Trade Fair Center and the development by the Ghana board. This is how it's going to look like. So after everything, this is how the Ghana Trade Fair Center is going to look like. So just imagine you have this in your country. Just imagine this magnificent project is done. The round tower that you're seeing over there, then we have some, and on the second part too, there is the old one there. They're going to demolish it and make it a better one. They're going to make it in the new format. So this is the Ghana Trade Fair Center under construction right now, and these are the project plan that you can see on your screen right away. So if you're watching, please subscribe to the channel, tap on the bell icon, and let us get you all the necessary information that you need to see. So this is the Accra Arena. So that in Accra we have the Grand Arena. That is the International Conference Center. It's over there, and this is the Accra Arena. So in the Accra Arena, you can see some exhibitions like this. You all know that Kantanka is one of the automobile companies in Ghana who is doing marvelously well. And we can't go and take Toyota, Benz and other stuff to have our exhibition. We need to get our own. So we took Kantanka, and this is one of the events centers, or let me say the events halls, which is going to hold a lot of programs. Yes. So it's going to hold a lot of programs. So just look at it. I know that most people will come here for tourism, and it's going to boost our tourism. Yes, because such things really boost tourism a lot. Because most of Ghanaians who travel and they are back, or who always come back, or even students and diasporans who always come back, want to see a new project. That's why, since you are not here, we are right here to get you all the projects, what's going on and what you want to see. Right now, I'm close trying to cover some, one or two stuff, and I may go to Takrade to also continue the project. So please, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, tap on the bell icon. Let's keep you updated right over here. Both trending news and also constructional content. They're right here. If you are building a house and you want us to, take a coverage, you want us to monitor your house for you secretly, you want us to take you, you want us to, get you all the necessary information concerning your projects, please call the number on your screen, 0591462646, and make appointment with us. You will do everything that you love to do. So please send us now so that we will go there to just cover this thing right away. Thanks for your time. My name is Willie.